What's up, guys? Sebastian here from Agency Hypergrowth. This is going out to our free group. Might be a podcast, might be a YouTube video. It's probably gonna get seen by a bunch of people. My beautiful girlfriend, who's behind the camera, and I just about 30 minutes ago, we got up here, top of this rock, finished a beautiful hike here in New York State, not New York City. And guys, every time that I get out in nature, I get so clear and peaceful internally, and then externally I get these thoughts and these ideas and these big aha moments come to me about business and life and all that. So I wanted to share a thought that I was just having about business and life, and that is the concept of seasons. And guys, what I've learned over the past few years as an entrepreneur is that in both business and life, you're always in a season. You're constantly going through seasons and moving into a season, out of one, into a new one, etc. And with the different seasons that you find yourself in, comes a different set of priorities, a different set of things that you focus on, a different set of goals, different places that you put your energy into. For example, give you guys a perfect example. We were talking about this kind of. All of 2020, a huge portion of my energy went into business growth and work. At last Q4 of 2021, more of my energy has gone into my relationship. It's just true. And I'm in a season where something holds more focus and more importance than it did before. And that's okay. But where we tend to struggle, guys, as entrepreneurs, is we fight the season that we find ourselves in. So if we're in a season of growth, we tend to fight it and we want to be somewhere else. We want to be in a season of optimization, and so we're fighting what's true, we're fighting what's there, and that creates the fight, that creates the pain, the resistance, that creates the feeling, right? Same thing when you're in a season of optimization and stepping back and slowing down. If you try to fight that and speed up and wonder why you're not growing and do things that aren't conducive to the season you're in, which all of this starts with awareness, by the way, I should have said that first. It's really helpful to be aware of the season that you're in. That starts by being self-aware. How do you be self-aware? Well, that's a whole nother topic. But for me, the easiest ways that I get connected to myself is journaling, meditating, getting quiet, coming to places like this where getting quiet is really easy, because when the external is quiet, it's a lot easier to get internally quiet, versus when you're in Times Square, New York City, it's really hard to get quiet internally. And then just have a look, have a notice of what's there, what's true for you. And then don't fight it, guys. Be aware first of the season that you're in and just move with it. If you're in a season of growth, probably means things are going to get messy, shit's going to break. You're going to probably experience growing pains. I know I have the last 4 or 5 months, because we've been growing in ways that we haven't grown before as a company. And sometimes growth doesn't mean revenue. Also, I think something that's really important to note, guys, is sometimes growth doesn't mean that you're making more money. And in fact, sometimes in order to make more money, you need to grow in other ways. And that doesn't mean that you're not going to have growing pains. And just don't fight the season that you're in, guys. That would be my biggest piece of, I feel like advice is not the best word, because I don't like giving advice that implies that I'm better than you. But that would be my insight that I'd like to share with you and invite you to take in if you'd like to. Be aware of the season that you're in. Understand what comes with that season. What are you focusing on? Where's your energy going? What's likely going to be your focus? What's likely not going to get as much energy and importance put on it? Be okay with it. Don't fight it. Flow with it. Go with it. I'm about to start rhyming now. And I promise that you'll have a much better time in business and in life. Doesn't mean it's always going to be fun. Doesn't mean it's always going to be amazing. But the less you fight, the less pain you're going to feel while you're going through your seasons. And the less pain there is, that just means there's more ease and flow. That usually is a good thing. At least I like it. So, guys, that's all I really got for you right now. That's what I wanted to share, just some thoughts I'm having at the top of this freaking high rock. It's so gorgeous here. I love it. Embrace the season you're in, guys. Don't fight it, flow with it, and I will see you guys in another video. Peace and love, y'all. Bye.